Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have got a new hiring opportunity for freshers from various companies and for various roles. So without wasting your time, let's move to the hiring. Before we discuss the hiring, like the video, smash the subscribe. First we have from Adobe. Adobe is hiring for software development engineer. Here is it. This is for Noida location. Here is about the company. You can read this if you don't know about Adobe. Adobe is a worldwide company known for video editing softwares, and here are the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life as a Adobe employee. You have to produce high scalable code, with that working on development, also handle troubleshoot, debug and collaborate with customer and teammate. Let's check out the requirement for this role. BTech, MS or similar in computer science are welcome to apply for this role and have proficiency in multiple programming language such as Java, JavaScript, Python, interest in AI technologies, with that good collaboration skill, communication skills and many more. You can read this all. This is for freshers, so if you are interested for this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Next we have from Wipro. Wipro is hiring for developers. This is for Gurugram location. The purpose of this role is design, test and maintain software programs. Let's talk about the responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life. You have to develop software solutions. With that also investigate problem areas followed by the software development lifecycle. Similarly also analyze the root causes. With that you have to identify ideas to improve system performance. Additionally you have to collaborate with functional teams and system analysts for their requirement and many more. You can read this all. You also develop and automate processes of software validation. In line with that you are modifying software to fix errors. With that you are also handling installation process and many more. You can read this. Here is it. These are all responsibility of the candidate that handle in day-to-day life as a Wipro developer. So if you are interested for this role or your skill set fulfilling these requirements, you can apply for this role. You get the link in the description box. Just go and apply. Next we have from Cisco. Cisco is hiring for software engineer. New graduates, 0 to 3 years of experience required for this role. It means fresher is also welcome to apply for this role. This for Bangalore location. Let's move to the requirement first. You have to work on architecture, designs, development and testing. Like you are working on design patterns, OOPS concept. Additionally working on multiple threading applications. Also handle troubleshoot and debug. With that you are also participate in code review. Let's check out the required qualification for this role. Good knowledge of web development technologies, microservices, architecture and testing them with automation, and hands-on knowledge of REST APIs, knowledge of Jenkins, Git. With that excellent communication skills and collaborative skills. So if you are interested for this role or your skills are fulfilling these requirements, just go and apply for this role. You get the link in the description box. Next we have for Fractal. This is for Bangalore location. If you have good knowledge of AWS, APIs, Jenkins, pipeline, then you are welcome to apply for this role. This is also for freshers. So just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. Bye bye. Best of luck for your assessment round. Catch you later.